Three Conservative MPPs have opened up a can of worms at Queen's Park, sponsoring a news conference by the controversial Campaign Life organization, who came to Queen's Park on Wednesday asking for abortion to be defunded from OHIP.
Campaign Life Coalition Youth has organized province-wide defund abortion rallies that will blanket Ontario MPP offices this Saturday, October 13th, from 11 a.m. till noon. Taxpayers who are fed up forking over their hard-earned cash to finance a controversial, medically unnecessary procedure will rally outside their MPP's local office and demand that the MPP work to remove abortion from the list of services covered by OHIP.
The Campaign Life representatives said they plan to picket MPP's offices this week, hoping to get them on side, asking them to lobby to have abortion defunded.
Ontario taxpayers currently shell out an estimated $30 to $50 million annually for elective abortions. For $30 to $50 million per year, Ontario can hire over 200 family doctors or 400 nurses. Isn't that more worthy of public funding than abortion as a birth control method?
For Sun News Network and the Toronto Sun, I'm Christina Blizzard at Queen's Park.